Okay, how you doing? This is Alan here, and Alan-Unleased, and I got a review for you here. It's not being paid for. I'm not getting any commission for this or anything. I bought it with my own money, and I kind of like the product. Always wanted one of these professional electronic repair kit for working on computers, tablets, and stuff like that, and never had one. And this thing here, 87 pieces, including the case and stuff. It's perfect for repairing small electronic magnetized bit holder, soft plastic openers for prying fragile screens and components, high strength suction cup for lifting screens without leaving, and so on. Anyway, this is what I got here. And I paid, well, it sells for $37.99. And I got a coupon. I had a coupon on it for $8 off, and I paid $29.99. Still more than what I want to pay for anything, but anyway, I'm cheap. Anyway, this is it right here, and I kind of like it. I actually used it today to run the wires from my gas cam rear camera through my SUV. And see, they have Velcro straps here that holds it closed. Everything magnetized there. This case is magnetized. You can pull this case off here. See, it's magnet. Put it back on. It stays on there. This is magnetized. It got little magnets at each corner. I kind of like this thing here. It's flexible in case you got to bend, get into something. That's awesome. And you got all kinds. You got a pickup here if you drop a screw. You just put it in here and pick it up. And you got all kinds of bits there. Some I never heard of before. They got security bits, standard, flat, star bits. These little things here. I know they're for some kind of security screws. Anyway, can get that out. And it says magnetized case with built-in storage tray, flex extension, opening 6 opening picks, opening tools, oval drive adapter, suction handle, tweezers, plunger tools, pry tools, magnetic pad, anti-static wrist wrap, 2-row, whatever that is, and you got Phillips bits, flatheads, torque, uh, pentalobe. I never heard of that. JIS bits, never heard of that. Hex bits, tri-point bits, nut driver, square bits, gambits. They thought of everything when they put them in here. Sim eject bit, triangle bit, magnetic bit. I'm reading off of here. Kind of blurry. Can't focus. Anyway, I used it for the first time today, and I'm impressed. I only ran wires from my rear camera on my dash cam, and it made it so much easier than before when I done it. And here you got all these things. Here's your, I call them guitar picks. What I call them. This thing here is your tweezers. Instead, you push. That's pretty cool there. That really is. This thing here is for pulling your screen. The suction cup here. You got these here for prying plastic, like the plastic backing of a tablet or phone to open it up. This here is your grounding wire wrist strap, so you can ground yourself when you work on your computers. I never did. I never had one. Always wanted one of these, and I finally got one. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, I forgot to pull a tool back in here. It's in my SUV. And I don't know what this is here. Anyway, the one I left in my SUV looks something like this. except for this end is flat. Okay, I ran back out to my SUV to get this other piece I was missing. Yeah, I think this, out of all the stuff I bought from Harbor Freight, I think this is the very best I ever bought. Everything. I'm really pleased with it. I haven't used it on phones or tablets or my computer yet, but I will in time. So I hope you like what I had here. And don't forget to like, subscribe. There won't be no link in the description box because I'm not getting paid for this. I bought it with my own money. I'm just proud of it. So until next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It help me produce more shows. So thanks for watching.